We are looking at a very interesting tool for content creators. This is the NEEWER TP64 overhead tripod. If you film unboxings, tutorials, or cooking videos, you know how hard it is to get a perfect shot from above. This tripod is designed to solve that problem. Let's get it out of the box. The first thing you notice is the build quality. It is made of heavy-duty aluminum alloy. It feels solid and professional. Inside the box, we have a high-quality carrying bag, the tripod itself, an instruction manual, and some adjustment tools. It weighs about 1.8 kilograms, which is a good balance between stability and portability. Let's look at the tripod head. My version comes with a 360-degree ball head. It has a scaled base for precise panoramic shots. The quick-release plate is Arca-Swiss compatible. This is great because it works with most cameras and cages without extra adapters. The knobs turn smoothly, and there is a built-in bubble level to help you keep your shots straight. Now, let's talk about the size. This tripod is surprisingly tall. It has 4-section legs with quick flip locks. You can adjust the height from 64 centimeters all the way up to 230 centimeters. That is over 7 feet tall. It is perfect for wide shots or when you need to place your camera above a crowd. For extra stability, there is a hook at the bottom where you can hang a sandbag or your backpack. The best part of the NEEWER TP64 is the flexible center column. You can pull it up and flip it into a horizontal position. Now, you have a professional overhead setup. The arm can rotate 360 degrees horizontally and tilt 120 degrees vertically. This allows you to position the camera directly over your desk without the tripod legs getting in the way of your shot. It is a game changer for flat-lay photography and top-down video production. Another great feature is the versatility. You can quickly unscrew one of the legs, the one with the foam grip. Attach it to the center column and you have a full-size monopod. This is very useful for travel or when you are shooting in tight spaces where a tripod is too big. The monopod can reach a maximum height of 240 centimeters. So, what is the verdict? The NEEWER TP64 is a powerful all-in-one solution. It is a standard tripod, a tall light stand, an overhead rig, and a monopod, all in one package. It is built like a tank and handles heavy DSLR or mirrorless cameras with ease. If you want to improve your production quality, especially for top-down shots, this is an excellent choice. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about this tripod. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more gear reviews.